How to remove business profile from Uber. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove business profile from Uber. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So here on Uber you're gonna find the business profile on your account. So at the bottom of your screen you have three options. Let's tap on account, and now let's tap on payment. Here, if you scroll down, you're gonna find your right profiles. I have my personal and a business. So if you already have a business profile, you must tap there, and on the top right corner, you're gonna find the bin. So if I tap there, I'm gonna be able to delete my business profile. But if you want to add something, there is an option, start using Uber for business. So I'm gonna tap there, and I'm going to select the first option, right for business. Get receipts emailed to a work inbox, keep work trips separate, and more. Okay, so I'm going to get started, and I have to write my business email. So by now I'm going to select this one, and now tap on next. And now I have to choose the payment method. By now it's going to be cash. And the travel report, how frequently do you want to get your travel reports? So by now it's going to be monthly. And this is an option, link and expense program. So some businesses have like some accounts with some of these apps, but by now I'm going to tap on skip on the top right corner, and got it. So basically, if you want to create a ride, I'm gonna be there, and let's suppose I'm going to this place. There is an option on top of the confirm Uber app promo option who says personal. So if I tap there, I'm going to switch to business, as you can see. So I have those two options. Prices are going to be the same, but as you know, my receipt is going to be delivered automatically to my business. Okay, so that's it. Again, I'm going to repeat the steps: account, payment, scroll down, go to your business, and if you want to delete it, on the top right corner on the bin. Okay, delete. And that's it. That's how you can remove business profile from Uber. Thanks for watching.